Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find saved videos within the TikTok app, or how to view saved videos within the TikTok app. This works for Google, Android, and iPhone, so let's jump right into it. All right everyone, we're currently on my phone, so what you're going to want to do first is of course launch the TikTok app. Once the app is open, find the video that you want to bookmark and save to view later. Now, right here on the right below the comments tab bubble, there is a bookmark tab that you can select here. It turns yellow or gold and it says added to favorites. Now on the bottom right, you're going to want to select your profile icon. Once that opens up here, you'll see there's four options here, a little padlock, and then the bookmark tab. So select a bookmark tab. And as you can see, here is the video. If we click it, it'll open up the video that we bookmarked and saved on TikTok. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button and we'll see you in the next video.